I didn't realize that worked. Huh. Anyways, 88 Wago. Gonna go take it out for a drive today. Welcome back to the channel. I have a little device that will attach to the back of my car, and I just want to show you guys. So I have this bar here, and I'm gonna, if you can see it, you probably can't, but anyways, I have a little GoPro attachment. Right now it's just kind of like on my hand, but anyways, let's go for a drive. All right, you guys are mounted up, and all right, I think it's pretty tight. Hopefully it won't. My first time using this, so, but it seems pretty tight. Okay, I don't know if that's a good angle or not. Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Okay. Don't mind the old door. She makes old noises. She's an 88. Oh, I need one something. Okay. Can you see me? Yeah, you can see me. Someone told me if your clutch is going bad, to go from first to reverse. It actually worked. I would have never thought of that. Okay, I'm gonna roll down the window because it is going to be hot. So my window does not roll down very well. 88 problems. That bitch ain't one. Or maybe a door is, but still. Oh God. Damn this thing. Okay, all right. The next adventure after this, I believe, oh, we're going to Lozano. For those of you that live in San Diego, let's try it again. Okay, so first, wait, let's see. That does work. Son of a bitch. I would have never guessed it. Yeah, because my clutch is really bad, so. The next adventure is I guess it would be like yard sale, kind of swap meet kind of, over at Lozano Performance in San Marcos. Yeah, I should keep looking that way. But and then after that is VTEC tuning, and yeah. Hopefully you can see the back of my head. It's not warm yet. I should take it easy. But yeah, I don't really get a chance to drive this very often, and I don't want to because of the clutch. It's really hard to get into gear. And reverse is like, well, was impossible. And then thank you, Manny, by the way, for telling me about that. Actually, both manuals told me about that, Del Sol and EF. So it's kind of nice to know a Manny. And hopefully nothing breaks while we're out, of course. But I got my new sticker from House of Wagons, Feliciano, right? I kept calling him Jose. He's like, my name's not Jose. I'm like, well, that's what you get for calling me Roman Viola Roman or something. Roman Mendiola. Nah, it was funny. I can take a joke. See if I can make this green line. There we go. Okay, I had it on photo, and didn't have the right setting. But anyways, I don't know if you can see it in the thing, but there it is. But anyhow, yeah, I don't really have much done to this thing. It's pretty much stock. I mean, like I said, the LS engine with the paired with the B16 transmission. Yeah, not really much to speak of there. I wish I had a B16 with a B16, but I did get these little, I guess, brake coolers, I guess they're called. I don't know. Made from oh, who they called? EFB Motorsports. But anyhow, yeah, I put the lip on not so long ago. You guys seem to like that. I like it. You know what? It's a cheap eBay, and I figured because of the car, the way that it sits, I didn't want anything too expensive. I do need a windshield, but yeah. So we're gonna go put her away, and I got some stuff to do. Yeah. There we go. I know, I'm a dork, I know. Okay. I want to try that again because it used to grind pretty bad. I mean, it was bad. Alright, so let's see. So you go into first. I did not know that. Been doing this since the 90s and I didn't know that. Okay, so first, and a little bit. There's a little bit of contact there. Anyhow. A little bit of a clunk. Oh, don't scream. Ugh. Let's see how that turned out. What do you guys think?